Oh boy. Changing your emotions in the moment? Sounds like a superhero power, doesn't it? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to teach you how to do just that. First things first, let's start with some deep breaths. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the bad ones. Imagine you're taking a huge gulp of fresh air, like you're a fish out of water. Okay, maybe that's a bad analogy, but you get the point. Next up, let's get mindful. No, not mindful of stress and anxiety, but mindful of the present moment. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, like you're watching a movie. And if that movie starts to get a little too dramatic, hit the pause button and take a breather. Now, let's reframe those negative thoughts. Instead of thinking, "I'm so stressed out," try thinking, "I'm feeling a little overwhelmed right now, but I'm a badass who can handle it." See, doesn't that feel better? And who doesn't love a good visualization exercise? Close your eyes and imagine yourself on a tropical beach, sipping a margarita, or whatever your drink of choice is. Feel the sun on your face, the sand between your toes, and the stress melting away. And if all else fails, just get moving. Do a little dance, take a walk around the block, or do some jumping jacks. Shake those negative emotions out of your system like a dog shakes off water after a bath. Changing your emotions in the moment might not be a cakewalk, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming an emotional superhero. So go ahead, take a deep breath, and let's do this.